Hey guys, Pierce here with RV Livin. Today I wanted to show you something I just picked up at Walmart. It was only about $20. It says Hopkins RV Smart Level. So it works best with their RV Leveling Kit. I don't have it, but it still works great. This is going to work best for travel trailers and fifth wheels, but I believe it'll still work just fine for drivable units. So let's go take a peek at it. Okay, so when you pick up your RV Smart Level, this is going to be the box right here. The front, it makes this a one-person job, and it also takes out the guesswork. The battery is not included. So the biggest thing with this product is that you can level front to back and side to side, like the box shows. And here's just the instructions on the back. And here's what I was showing you before. The Hopkins RV Leveling Kit. Like I said, you do not need them, but it will make it more compatible with it. So let's take a peek at it. I have it installed right here. So basically, you mount it on the side of the camper, you open it up, and you can turn it on right here. It takes one AA battery, but the idea of it is so you don't have to constantly go back and forth. So here, over here. Basically, so you don't have to run inside and back out a bunch of times checking the level. If you guys are running with trailers, you know how it is. Drivables are a little bit different, but we have this on a travel trailer. So basically, you'll stick it on. I'll show you how it comes off here first. So when you stick it on, it comes with this mounting plate that's backed with 3M double-sided tape. Mine didn't stick too well. I think it maybe got a little bit wet. It rained a couple days afterwards. But you can also have the option of doing a permanent mount with the holes. So to put it back on, you just slide it in, clicks in place. So like I said, the idea of it, when you're completely level, this green light is going to flash. So like this would measure, the level front to back. Now this would actually be your first step to check side to side. So you open it up, and when it's level, it'll be green. So if you're out of level, it'll show a red light on the side here, and that would indicate an inch or an inch and a half block. You can change the setting. So what's nice about this, I think it was only $20 at Walmart. It definitely saves a lot of hassle, because leveling is definitely the worst part. Alright, well, it's getting dark here, so I'm going to wrap this up. But anyways, it's not going to eliminate leveling altogether, because it's, unless you have an auto leveling system, it's just what you got to do. But it does take a lot of, like they say, the guesswork out of it, and it's a lot easier to do alone. You guys know how it is, running back and forth, inside, outside to check the level, make sure everything is up to par, and this should make it a lot easier for you. So, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to obviously. Put a comment down below. We're trying to do more of these videos. Also subscribe to the channel. Help us reach our goal and everything. So we'll talk to you guys soon.